Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Steam on your Mac. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type in Steam in the search bar. The top link should be the one you're looking for. It'll look like this. Show on screen a picture of the Steam website link in a search engine. If you're not sure, there's a link in the description below this video. Okay, so assuming you don't already have a Steam account, if you do, you can skip this next step. You'll need to create one. This will make the whole process much smoother. Click on the login link, usually in the top right corner of the Steam website. Once you're on the login page, scroll down a bit and click on Create an Account. Then, just follow the step-by-step instructions to create your new Steam account. Alright, now that you've successfully created your Steam account, let's download Steam. Click on the Install Steam button at the top of the Steam website. You'll see another Install Steam button. Make sure you click the one next to the Apple logo. Then, go ahead and download the installer to your Mac. I'm going to save it to my desktop for easy access. Show screen recording of saving the file to the desktop. Great. Now we've downloaded the Steam installer. Just double-click it to open it. You'll see a pop-up window like this. Show screen recording of the pop-up window. Simply drag and drop the Steam logo into the Applications folder. Once you've done that, you can close the pop-up window and even delete the installer. We don't need it anymore. That's it. Steam is now successfully installed on your Mac. Time to open it up. Find Steam in your Applications folder and click to open it. The first time you open Steam, you might see a message saying it was downloaded from the internet. Just click Open. Steam will start running on your Mac. Now you might already be signed in, or you might need to log in. If you're not logged in, just click the login button in the top left corner and enter your account details. As you can see, I'm already signed in. Show Steam interface. Once you're signed in, go to your library, and you can start installing your Steam games on your Mac. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.